thought it was really a spectacular technique, and I just call it the piano wire choke. So this is from the clinch or from the guard on the ground. We're not going to get into the guard on the ground, but you would do this from a sit-up position. Just keep that in mind. So if we're in the Muay Thai, if I'm in the Muay Thai clinch, what's happening is, if I got knees, keeping my hips in a good position, grabbing the back, the head is my left. This loops underneath. Grabbing my own wrist. We'll give a close-up in a minute. We're here, and pushing the head down and through. Now, my left is pushing down, it's twisting, this is coming up. Okay? Very effective choke. You could be in a sit-up guard position on the ground. Do the same technique. Okay? So, many applications. But that's just the concept. Pressure, and getting good downward pressure first will help you push their head through. Now, we also have grabbing the shirt, coat, gi, whatever. This is street, shirt or coat. And this is pulling around with the shirt, see, to here. I want to keep that as close as possible to here. So again, grabbing the shirt or the coat, keeping this close, crossed under. Pushing the head down and around, okay? Always aware of groin shots, okay? And this can choke them super fast, okay? But you can actually bring them down, but I want to protect my groin when I apply this technique. So what's happening is, I'm releasing my right, gripping under, grabbing my own wrist, okay? Like this. Now, with a coat, I'm going to grab the coat. That tightens it up here. But sometimes they don't have anything you can grab onto. It's just the way it is. But when I'm here, this is pushing the head down and around. Clinch here. And I'm grabbing my own wrist, pulling in. Now, it cinches by pushing down on her neck, pulling up on my arm and twisting all together. Very tight.